Today, like most days living on a boat, is another project day. Let me show you what we're up to. We had a wind scoop we've featured many times on the front of our boat. It's just an old cheap white tarp, but it keeps tearing in the heavy winds, and you can see where we've put reinforcements on it and new grommets. I was away on a boat move a week and a half or 2 weeks ago when a tropical storm come through. Now my boat's securely anchored, so I had no concerns, but as you can see, it tore one side of my wind scoop completely off. And I know these tarps aren't expensive, but you know, $1's a dollar these days. And I have invested in a Reed's Sailmaker sewing machine, and I've got more time than money, like most cruisers. Not every cruiser, some are well more financed than me. So today we're going to restitch the side of this tarp, and like I said, we're always making improvements, so we've got some reinforcing material to stitch down that whole side, and then like we've done in these other areas, we're going to install heavy-duty grommets and put this back up. It's going to be rather warm this week, in the mid-80s. Well, 80, 88 degrees down to 81, 82 at night, so every breath of wind coming through. And you can see I've trimmed the edge nice and square. We'll do a fold for reinforcement, put this reinforcing strip on it, and then use these wider strips to spread the grommet load back out. And we'll make this new and save 20 bucks and get more practice and skill with our sewing and have a nice cool breeze floating through the boat tonight. So let me get started and we'll show you how she ends up.